Cloud Practitioner certification, billing, pricing and support section, support plans. AWS offers multiple support plans which covers needs of businesses of any level. Let's first list available support plans. Basic Support, Developer Support, Business Support, Enterprise On-Ramp Support, Enterprise Support. First support plan, Basic Support. AWS Basic Support is available for every AWS customer for free. With Basic Support, customers don't get access to the technical support team, but they have access to the followings: documentation, white papers, support forums, AWS Trusted Advisor, AWS Personal Health Dashboard. Next support plan, AWS Developer Support. Everything in the AWS Basic Support is in the AWS Developer Support plan. With AWS Developer Support, you get email access to the customer support team. The response time for general questions is less than 24 hours. When the systems are impaired, the response time is less than 12 hours. The cost of this level of support is $29 per month or 3% of monthly AWS charges. AWS Developer Support is good for businesses that are experimenting with AWS. Next support plan, AWS Business Support. Everything in the AWS Developer Support is included in AWS Business Support. In addition, you get direct phone access to the AWS support team. Response time, if the production systems are impaired, is less than 4 hours. The cost is the greater value of $100 per month or 10% of monthly AWS charges. AWS Business Support is good for businesses with production workloads. Next support plan, AWS Enterprise On-Ramp Support. Everything in the AWS Business Support is included in the Enterprise On-Ramp Support. You get 30 minutes response time for issues related to business critical workloads, and you get access to a pool of technical account managers. They provide consultative architectural guidance based on the well-architected framework. The cost is the greater value of $5,500 per month or 10% of monthly AWS charges. AWS Enterprise On-Ramp Support is good for companies running business-critical workloads. Next support plan is AWS Enterprise Support. Everything in the AWS Enterprise On-Ramp Support is included in the Enterprise Support. You get 15-minute response time for issues related to mission-critical workloads, and you get access to a designated technical account manager who proactively monitors your environment and assists with optimizations. The cost is the greater value of $15,000 per month or 10% of monthly AWS charges. AWS Enterprise Support is good for companies running mission-critical workloads.